There were diverse opinions about the real meaning of development by mid-1940s up to almost the whole 1950s. It meant 5 to 7% growth rate in an economy even by the IMF and WB. By the late 1960s, new views of development started emerging. Arthur Lewis had seen development in the sense of human freedom in 1963 itself when he concluded that the advantage of economic growth is not that wealth increases happiness, but that it increases the range of human choice. For him, development means a freedom from servitude. Mankind could be free to have choices to lead a life full of material goods or in spiritual contemplation. W. Arthur Lewis, The Theory of Economic Growth, Allen and Unwin, London, 1963, p. 420. For the Glaciers, development meant more employment and equality besides a falling poverty. The Meaning of Development, a paper presented at the 11th World Conference of the Society for International Development, New Delhi, 1969, p. 3. The Glaciers was later supported by many other economists such as Dennis Gollett. The Cruel Choice, a New Concept in the Theory of Development, Atheneum, New York, 1971, p. 23, Richard Brinkman, 1995. The International Labour Organization, ILO, had also articulated by the mid-1970s that economic development must be able to deliver the economic ability that people can meet their basic needs, the concept of sustenance, besides the elimination of absolute poverty, creating more employment and lessening income inequalities. Employment, Growth and Basic Needs, ILO, Geneva, 1976. Amartya Sen articulated a similar view via his ideas of capabilities and entitlements, development, which we now, Economic Journal 93, December 1983, pp. 754-57. By 1994, the United Nations looked to including the element of capabilities in its idea of development when it concludes that human beings are born with certain potential capabilities and the purpose of development is to create an environment in which all people can expand their capabilities in present times and in future. Wealth is important for human life. But to concentrate exclusively on it is wrong for two reasons. First, accumulating wealth is not necessary for the fulfillment of some important human choices. Second, human choices extend far beyond economic well-being. Human Development Report 1994, UNDP, Oxford University Press, New York, 1994, pp. 13-15. The World Bank by 1991 had also changed its view about development and had concluded that for improving quality of life we should include education, health, nutrition, less poverty, cleaner environment, equality, greater freedom and richer cultural life as the goals of development. Amartya Sen, a leading thinker on the meaning of development, attracted attention for articulating human goals of development. He opined that enhancing the lives and the freedoms we enjoy should be the concerns of development known as the capabilities approach to development. See his Commodities and Capabilities, North Holland, Amsterdam, 1985 and Development as Freedom. Alfred Knopf. New York, 1999.